Hello and welcome back, beautiful people. In this video I'm going to teach you some technique how you can easily remember your course. This is also going to help you with your study. So let's get started. First of all, you need to set aim. So what is meant by aim? You need to fix your aim, what you actually wanted to learn. There are many fields out there like graphic design, web design and many more. So first, you need to set your aim. Number 2, you need pen and paper. What I'm actually saying to you, it is a manual process to remember anything. What you think it's important, you just writing on your paper. You can also create note. In future you can see this note and you can understand that. And you can also write bullet point like a description. And second, this description can writing as a bullet point. I hope you understand. When you're watching a course online or offline, you need to give your 100% attention. You can divide your time in a day. Like I'm watching this course like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. In this 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, please do not watch anything else. Like you are going to YouTube or Netflix or going something or do something. This is going to harm, which can affect your attention. Like if you try to start a course, this is going to break your attention. Next is don't skip your course video. What is meaning by that? It is not movie or song you just skip. You don't understand particular point, you just skip it. That's how it doesn't work. So please do not skip your video. Hey, always remember, 2 is bigger than 1. What I am actually meaning by that? You just finish a course. Okay, that's great. But when you revision your course again, you can learn more than first time. So second time is always better than first time. If you revision the course, your weak point is going to be your strong point. Okay, after revision is done, you need to create a project. Just watching is not your destination. If you create a multiple project, this is going to help you better to understand your subject. Okay, listen. Your course or your study is not a movie. This is a learning path for you. So when you watching the course video, you need to avoid noisy place, or you are going to somewhere you just watching a course video. This is not a good practice. If you have a time, you need to fix your time when you going to start your course and when you finish it. So if you start a course 1 week or maybe 3 or 4 days and you just create a big gap, what is meaning by that? What I am actually telling you, watching a course 3 or 5 days and you make a big gap and watching this course again like 1 month, 15 days or 2 months, this is going to reduce your learning. You can't remember everything after gap, so please avoid this. That's how you can remember any course or study. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe your favorite channel, Full Course.